Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best logo projectors that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the DragonX LED Gobolight Logo Projector. This logo projector from the DragonX store features 8mm HD lens to ensure high resolution and sharpness. Furthermore, it features 360 degrees automatic rotation, rotating speed adjustment and manual zooming. The projector has 2 empty customizing films and 6 replacement films. Also, it allows for easy changing of the slides. Next, it has a projection distance of 15 meters. Being IP65 waterproof, you can use it outdoors and indoors. It is ideal for home, DJ show, event decoration, party and more. Remarkably, its dimensions measure 171.5 by 136 by 177 millimeters. On the other hand, it uses 100 to 240 volts of power. The projector weighs 0.7 kilograms only. This long-lasting tool features a lifetime of 50,000 hours. Moving on at number 4, we have the Chauvet EZGOBO LED Gobo Logo Projector. Coming 7th is this logo projector from the Chauvet DJ store. First and foremost, it is battery powered, so it can easily project custom images anywhere. Also, it has the manual zoom function to make long throw or short throw applications easy. In addition to that, it has 10-inch wedding-ready gobos. These help to add a romantic accent. Another important feature of this logo projector is that it has a magnetic base. The base affixes to different metallic surfaces. As a result, there will be no need for clamps. The projector allows one to print custom gobos on the transparency films. Remarkably, its battery is rechargeable for convenience. Finally, it weighs 2.2 pounds. At number 3, we have the KaraQoton 15W Gobo Logo Projector. The KaraQoton features HD glass lens that is resistant to wear. The projector is constructed from aluminum material. Therefore, it is durable and can project for a very long duration of time. To be precise, it can work for more than 3 years. Most importantly, quality glass Gobo can project intricate and complex designs. Besides, it is very clear and heat resistant. On top of that, it is ideal for many applications. These include weddings, Halloween, Christmas, disco, hotel, banquet, bar, pub, family parties and more. Equally important, it is quick and easy to install this logo projector. You can install it on the wall, ceiling or floor. Remarkably, it has a 24 feet projection range. Finally, it weighs 2.33 pounds. At number 2, we have the Logobos 20-watt LED Custom Gobo Logo Projector. This logo projector by Logobos features high brightness. It uses 20 W of power. Also, it features 1600 bright lumen and 3000 K color temperature for decorating the night. Next, it is IP20 waterproof to allow for outdoor use. The aluminum material is long-lasting, strong and durable. Remarkably, it features a projection range of 0 to 90 degrees. You can adjust the pattern size using the aperture. In addition to that, the logo projector has a multi-purpose design. You can use it for business advertising in hotels, clubs, discos, KTV, banquet, bar, pub, weddings, Halloween, Christmas and family parties. Besides, it uses AC 85 to 265 volts 50 Hz input voltage. For easy installation, it comes with a user manual and a bag containing screw accessories. Finally, it weighs 2 pounds. And finally at number 1, we have the HILITING 15-watt LED Gobo Logo Projector. This logo projector by HILITING has a 15W Osram LED. Therefore, it provides a bright beam for indoor and outdoor applications. Moreover, it is perfect for company events, small-sized ads, weddings and retail stores. On the other hand, it has a remote control for setting the pattern rotating or stationary. This, in turn, ensures attractive projection. With this logo projector, it is simple to control the light off, on. Most importantly, it is constructed using strong aluminum alloy material. This makes it strong and resistant to rust. Not to forget, it is waterproof. This implies that you can use it outdoors or indoors. To save power, it uses an input voltage of 110 volts AC, 60 Hz. To finish, it features a lifespan of 30,000 hours. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.